Hey guys, it's Amber. I wanted to share a quick little scrapbook.com unboxing with you guys. This one is mostly some mixed media stuff that I've been waiting on, I'm excited about, that I've been getting into lately. And of course, today it arrived, and a bunch of stuff that I've been waiting to come in for a paper line just showed up at their door. So, of course, that's how it goes. So, just figured I would show you what I got. Right now is that fun time in the summer when all the holiday lines are starting to come out. Okay, so I know there's gonna be some crinkling, sorry. Let's start with the papers and some of the fun things that I got. I was recently a participant, like created a class for, but also watched a class, and these sticky folios were really interesting, and it's something that Milana Has a Plan on Instagram was using. Milana Lynch, and basically they're just like a couple sheets inside here. It says the easiest way to turn anything into a sticker. You like just lay the die cut on top, you rub it on, and like add some sticky dots to the back. And for really odd shaped things, this seemed cool. Maybe so. I'd have to check it out more. And you can get refill packs. But it has like this tool here that you use to spread it down, and then you use to peel it off. So I don't know how great it would work with vellum without trying it myself, but it seemed cool. And you have like a color different options. It's not cheap, I will give you that. It's like $17.99, I think it was. But as someone who's constantly looking for a way to add adhesive to funny shaped die cuts, it seemed cool. So there's this thing here that you like snap the sheets into, which are right here. So this comes with 3 of them, which, like I said, seems a little pricey. Hopefully the refills are cheaper. There's the tool, which is nice that they have it on here. You snap that into place. You put the item in between the sticker and the piece. You smooth it down. So it's something that I want to try out. I'm excited about it. I think they had like a blue. Sorry, this is like a teal. There's like a couple different colors. So no way that's getting back in there. But definitely was interested because I'm always using their double-sided sticky tape in like the 4 and 2-inch size rolls, and it works, but it can be a pain in the butt sometimes to cut stuff out. So let's go to papers. The newest Prima Halloween collection came out, and I didn't really buy as much as normal. Their line is starting to look very, very similar to years past, but I picked up a couple because I still have a lot of unused stuff from before. So this is a transparency. The new line is called Twilight Collection. So I have an acetate sheet here with gold spiders and then webs, which I thought was really pretty. Sorry, my desk is like covered with all the things today. This one is called Oddities, but I mainly bought it for the pink spiderweb pattern, which has like been their go-to. It's got like stars and stuff in the background. This one is from Photoplay. It's got orange on the back and just these jack-o'-lantern faces called Haunted. This one's also Photoplay. They're both from their Trick or Treat line. This one's called Little Boo. It has kind of like fleur-de-lis pattern in the background and then these little ghosts. And on the back is like this texty pattern. I actually really liked both sides of this one. Super cute. Oops. Flip it on. And then another line from that one has the 3x4 and 4x6 papers called Fright This Way. And then on the back is some dancing skeletons on like a graph. funny. Like they're doing splits. They're all doing handstands, all the things. So that's kind of cute. And then another sheet of the Twilight collection. This is called Pink Haunting. So this one I kind of thought I could cut up into like pieces, but mostly I really liked the back with the moons and the stars and bats. A little bit of music notes. I thought that was really cute. The other side has gold foil. And then also I got this from Premium Marketing, which said Postcards from Paradise, which said Flamazing and how these flamingos, but also had these gold foil postcards. I'm going on a trip to Florida soon. And I also have a upcoming trip to the Caribbean. And I just thought it was really cool. And the background was really cool. So just a paper that caught my eye to add to my travel collection. So I also got a new 1/2-inch red line tape. This was free. This is 2 different dyes from the Sizzix Thinlits. So it has, it's hard to see on here, it's blocked. There's like a little tiny, this thing, banner, there you go, using words here. And then this beautiful floral dye for making, it's mostly for making cards, but they always have really, really cool free giveaways. So always check out their coupons and deal section. So added that. And then I added these Twilight Pearl Accents from the Prima Twilight collection. And they have really cool pearlescent shimmer to them in the orange, pink, yellow, and black, which casts different tones or has different tones on it. So I got that for October Daily, of course. And then another influence from Milana was these Picket Fence Studios paper pouncers. It says faster ink transfer, 3-pack, and direct smooth application. So she was using these in her video as well for inking. And I had like one tiny little tool to, okay, I'm trying not to like rip this. So it's like there it is. I like to keep the case. I have one tiny little tool that's just like a scrapbook.com foam sponge, and it works great, but it also took forever during my travel class when I was trying to mask on vellum. And so these paper pouncers catch more ink. They're a little bit bigger. There you go. It comes out of the case, and then it's supposed to be a little bit bigger, and looked like it transferred faster. And then they have these to help keep the ink from getting everywhere. And it comes as a set of 3. I do not recall off the top of my head how much they were because, yeah, there's no price on here. It took a little while to get to me. Not that they shipped along, it just, there was like a weekend and took a little time. And I have since forgotten. So everything else after that is some mixed media stuff. So I added 2 more colors of this Cloud 9 ink from Lisa Horton Crafts that I really liked. Excuse me, I'm gonna reach over my desk here. Last time I got these 2, and they kind of have some great colors that aren't really anywhere else. So last time I got Eucalyptus Leaves and Tranquil Waters. This time I got a Rhubarb Jam and this Painted Eggshell. And I will say, when I inked them, see how much brighter that looks? Like, it definitely came out brighter than I was expecting the colors to be. It looks truer to the ink pad than the label. So I will warn you on that. But I still really wanted to give these 2 other colors a try. They seem like a good fill-in for other colors I don't have. And they are a premium dye-based matte blending ink. I really liked how they worked when I used them. So this is from Tim Holtz' newest Halloween line. This is Distress Texture Paste in Black Opaque. And I kind of got this to use maybe in my October Daily or anytime I really want to use black, but yeah, so black texture paste. And then he also started releasing a bunch more colors in his Distress embossing glaze line. So I picked up Peacock Feathers and Chipped Sapphire, which the Chipped Sapphire is a navy blue color that I use all the time. It's hard to see here, it looks black almost. And then this teal I thought would be a fun bright color for the Caribbean. Got those. Here we've got some more lunar paste. I learned my lesson with buying solar paste last time from Simon Perling, so I won't do that again. Apologize for all the crinkles. So solar paste looks mainly white with a hint of color. These are their true color. These are the lunar pastes. So we have Tropical Tango, this nice beautiful teal. Looks very similar to their Peacock Feathers. These are all texture paste, by the way. Game Over, which is this really pretty winey red. And then we've got, I'm trying to get some good blues. I don't have any blues. So Midnight Snack and No Diving. So loved those colors. And then finally, these were both free with my order. So we have Pops of Color. This one was called Rudolph Red. It's just plain red. And then this one is called Emerald City, and it's a sparkly green. So these are both free. They're the scrapbook.com brand. And then I ordered some of the newer release Distress crayons. These were 3 colors that I thought I would get some use out of. This one I believe is Abandoned Coral. Let me see if it tells you on the back. Uncharted Mariner, I believe it's Abandoned Coral, and Villainous Potion. Oh, Saltwater Taffy. Sorry. Yeah, Saltwater Taffy. So I really liked those. I need to remember to use this kind of stuff more often. So I really liked this color trio. And just this cute Santa washi from Cartabella. It just has Santas all over it on white. So that's everything. I will share everything in the links for you guys. Just a reminder that in my video details, I have a scrapbook.com link for my most used products, and then I will link direct links to all this stuff if you're interested in anything. So it should be fun. And then what I'm also excited to do is I will share a photo on my Instagram. If you follow me on there, it's adawson816. I will swatch all of these, and that's always really fun too. So 4, 6, 7, 8 things that I can swatch. And what I really should do is swatch my Distress crayons too, because I've never done that, the way I can see how they come out with coloring. So anyway, thanks for unboxing with me, and I will see you soon for more videos. I've been working on finishing up December Daily, and I can't wait to do some travel stuff, and I really need to finish my October Daily from last year as well. So I'll see you soon. Bye for now.